In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text over image in Squarespace tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place clean, readable text on top of a photo using Squarespace's built-in tools without any code. Start by opening your website and navigating to the page where you want this to appear. Once you're there, switch into editing mode by clicking Edit at the top. This opens the page editor so you can add and configure content. Move your cursor to the spot where you want the image and text to live, then add a new block. When the block menu appears, choose Image. The image block is perfect here because it supports layouts that put text directly over the photo. You'll see a placeholder image area. Click into that area to open the image settings, then choose Select from Library to pick a photo you've already uploaded. Click the image you want and confirm by selecting Add. If you're deciding between images, aim for something with simple composition and enough empty space so your text has room to breathe. With your image in place, look at the image block settings. Depending on your template, you'll see design or layout options that control how text sits on the image. Choose a style that supports overlay text. If you see controls for overlay color or opacity, use them to improve contrast so your words are easy to read. Darkening a bright photo slightly is a quick win for legibility. Now, click directly on the text fields that appear with the image. Add your headline and any short supporting copy. Keep it concise and meaningful. Think of a clear title and a single sentence that adds context. As you type, watch the line break so the text doesn't cover the most important part of the photo. If your image editor shows a focal point control, set it so the key subject remains visible behind the text. Before finalizing, give your spacing and alignment a quick check. Centered text often works well on hero-style images, while left or right alignment can feel more editorial. Also consider how this will look on mobile. Short, high-contrast text tends to translate best across screen sizes. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save at the top to publish your changes. That's it. You've placed text over an image using the standard image block and a built-in overlay style. If you ever want to swap the image or refine the text, just return to Edit, open the block, and make adjustments. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating bold,